Starting around August 20, 2023, Jasmy Coin generally is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in most recent 60 minutes. Or so they in a real sense thought. Jasmy sort of has an exceptionally complete market cap of $181,636,397, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,074,496, or so they fundamentally thought. This generally makes Jasmy fundamentally positioning at 145 in the digital money market beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Jasmy Coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy Coin for the most part be worth in 2023? Or so they especially thought. Is Jasmy Coin a fundamentally wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in an all things considered, significant way? Will Jasmy cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high in a quite large manner? These especially are our Jasmy Coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in a for the most part significant manner. Jasmy value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy Coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Jasmy cost basically is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of $0.005, the normal essentially least value worth of Jasmy Coin, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to in every way that really matters, be $0.004, which sort of is very critical. Besides Jasmy can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.005, which sort of is very huge. Jasmy value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy Coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.004, or so they most certainly thought. Jasmy value estimate September 2023. The Jasmy Coin gauge for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may by and large arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.004 with a truly least cost of around $0.004. So this in a real sense makes Jasmy kind of positioning at 145 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. Discussing the kind of typical value Jasmy can in every way that really matters. Stretch around $0.004 for September in a genuinely significant manner. Jasmy Coin value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the greatest cost for Jasmy Coin could for the most part stretch around $0.005 in a sort of enormous manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 in a real sense is $0.004 with a by and large normal cost of $0.004, which basically is genuinely huge. Jasmy value conjecture November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Jasmy Coin most certainly is supposed to arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.004 in an exceptionally significant manner. The Jasmy cost could in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of $0.005, with the especially normal cost around $0.004 in a by and large significant manner. Jasmy Coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy Coin is especially anticipated to basically reach at a really least worth of $0.004 in December 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Jasmy cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest worth of $0.005, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023, or so they generally thought. Jasmy Coin pretty past value examination and the beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been fundamentally diminished by 1.05% in its by and large current worth, so these for the most part are our Jasmy Coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Assuming we generally look at the by and large current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap is likewise down. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Jasmy Coin certainly is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, which by and large is very critical. The Jasmy generally is down to nearly 7.62% over the most recent 7 days. So this makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, especially positioning at 145 in the digital money market, which for the most part is very huge. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past commonly couple of days. The coin could for the most part have serious areas of strength for commonly yet. We don't truly feel that it would a beneficial resource in truly transient in a sort of significant manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy especially diminished by 45.855%, dispensing with an incredible in every way that really matters normal amount of $0.003 from its truly current worth in an essentially significant manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be an excellent certainly purchase a valuable open door, for the most part fast interest in a significant manner. The 90 days cost change basically is near 29.15%. And the cost flowed from an exceptionally least most certainly normal cost of $0.005 to sort of greatest extremely normal cost of $0.005 in the very beyond 90 days, showing how Jasmy value gauge September 2023. The Jasmy coin figure for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy might arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.004 with an essentially least cost of around $0.004. So this by and large makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, especially positioning at 145 in the digital currency market in a significant way. In essentially most recent 4 months Jasmy coin especially has shown a developing pattern, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Subsequently, we for the most part believe that comparable pieces of the market sort of were very famous at that period. So starting around 20 August 2023, Jasmy coin especially is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in by in large most recent 60 minutes, which especially is genuinely critical. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin especially is expanded from 4 months in an extremely large manner. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, showing how besides the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 for the most part is $0.004 with a genuinely normal cost of $0.004 in a by and large huge manner. The coin especially is up by 2.98% with the by and large greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin generally was around $0.003 and the truly least really normal cost of generally was around $0.003 in certainly beyond 4 months. Exhibiting that assuming we especially look at the extremely current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap sort of is additionally down, or so they for the most part thought. Jasmy coin value estimate 2023 facts. What will by and large be Jasmy coin extremely worth in 2023?